So in this video, we will learn the area of triangle formula in coordinate geometry. So this is in your 10th class CBSE board mathematics syllabus. So let us learn the derivation of the formula, the area of the triangle. We know that area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into the modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula. Now let us derive this formula. So now I have taken a random triangle ABC. You can see in the screen. So A as a coordinates x1 comma y1, B as a coordinates x2 comma y2, and C as a coordinates x3 comma y3. Now I am producing each of the vertex uh, and to the x-axis here. This is the x-axis, horizontal axis, and the y-axis, the vertical axis. So I'm producing a line from each vertices uh, to connect with the x-axis. So here it is b dash from B projecting, and from A to the x-axis projection is a dash, and projection of C to the x-axis is C dash. Now the coordinates of B dash will be the x coordinate is same, but y is 0. So x2 comma 0 is the coordinate. And similarly the a coordinate, a dash coordinates will be x1 comma 0, and the coordinates of C dash will be x3 comma 0. So now we can find the area of the triangle ABC. So if I have to find the area of triangle ABC, that can be found by area of, first of all, we can now consider area of trapezium here. So area of trapezium, area of trapezium uh, a b b dash a dash. Okay, so this I'll add like this one you can see here. Then I'll add this plus area of trapezium, area of trapezium a c c dash a dash, a c c dash a dash. Okay, then minus area of trapezium b b dash c dash c. So I'll find AB, B dash, A dash, and then this one. So then I'll subtract this from this, so that I get triangle, and subtract the finally this green trapezium. Okay. So now we know the area of the trapezium formula. So if I take a trapezium, I'm just taking a random trapezium here. If this trapezium is P, Q, R, S. Okay. And the parallel sides this let it be A and B, and this B here the height is H. Now the area of this trapezium PQRS, area of this trapezium PQRS will be half into uh, height into A plus B. Okay, this is the area of this trapezium. So using this formula we can now evaluate this thing. Now area of trapezium A B B dash A dash, area of trapezium A B B dash A dash. So I will let us find each of them. Area of trapezium A B B dash A dash. So this is like this, if you see there. So here the height is, we can consider this B dash A dash is the height. That is nothing but x2 minus x1, or x1 minus x2. So this is the height here. which is x1 minus x2. Okay, and this is y2 and this is y1. Okay. So this is y1 here, this is y1 and this is y2. So by using the formula I can write here the area of trapezium, this is half into height is x1 minus x2 into this parallel, the sum of parallel sides, that is y1 plus y2. Okay, now similarly I can find the area, similarly I can find the area of um, AC C dash A dash, area of trapezium AC C dash A dash. So here this is, you see this is the height will be here A dash C dash, that is x3 minus x1. The height, you see, will be A dash C dash, which is x3 minus x1. Yeah, x3 minus x1. So now applying the formula will be half into height is x3 minus x1 and sum of the parallel sides. So sum of the parallel sides, if you see, this is y3 plus y1. Okay. Now similarly, finally finding the area of trapezium, this BC C dash B dash, BC C dash B dash, so which is equals to half into height. Now what is height? Height is x3 minus x2. Height is x3 minus x2 into sum of the parallel sides, that is y3 plus y2. Y3 plus y2. Now I got the formulas for all the trapezium. Now I have to apply in this formula here. So let us apply. So it means area of triangle ABC will be, so I have to add this, this one I have to add with this here, and then here I should add, and then I should subtract here this one. Okay, so now let us put it in the equation. The area of triangle ABC, okay, area of triangle ABC will be equals to half into x1 minus x2 into y1 plus y2. Okay, so plus half into x3 minus x1 into y1 minus y3, sorry, y1 plus y3, then minus half into x3 minus x2 into y3 plus y2. So now I will take half outside common, then let me simplify this one. So if I simplify, this will be x1 into y1 plus x1 y2, then minus x2 y1, then minus x2 y2. So then plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y3. So here we have again minus of x3 minus minus x3 y3, then minus of x3 y2 minus x3 y2. Now minus into minus plus x2 y3 plus x2 y3, then again plus x2 y2. Now we can cancel out the terms which are having opposite signs, like we have here x1 y1, so here minus x1 y1, and we have x3 y3 and minus x3 y3, and we have x2 y2 and we have minus x2 y2. So I think remaining things will not get cancelled out, so we need to write the equation. So this is half of, so x1 is there here, x1, and there another x1 is here, x1 I'll take common out of these two, this one here, this one, and this one I'll take common x1. Okay, so if I take x1 common, then x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay, then I will take uh, x2 is there here, and I have x2 here. Okay, so I will take I'll write here x2 plus x2. I'll write. So then I'll be, it will be y3 minus y1. Okay, then plus. So now I will take here this x3 here, and I have another x3 here. So I'll take x3 common here from these two. So if I take x3 common, then that will be y1 minus y2. So finally I derived the area of triangle formula. This is a formula for area of triangle ABC, where A, B and C coordinates are given as x1, y1, x2, y2 and y3, x3, y3. So this is a part of your coordinate geometry. Thank you for watching this video, and if for more such videos, please follow my channel, and if you want a personal tuitions, please contact me, which is there in the description box. Thank you.